In the meantime, Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Paula Llewellyn has called for parliamentary intervention to improve the anti-gang legislation in order to give the police the powers to enter, search and seize. Ms. Llewellyn was speaking at the 33rd Annual General Meeting and Conference of the Association of Caribbean Commissioners of Police in St. James this week.
Would you believe that although the gang legislation is so detailed in Jamaica, yet there are no express provisions in the Act for entry, giving the police investigators powers of entry, search and seizure of either suspected gang members or gang paraphernalia or documents, to be able to seize documents and other articles which identify criminal organization or members and activities of the said criminal organization.
Ms. Llewellyn says Parliament should give the police the expressed powers.
You should not have to be depending on search warrants from other statutes or from a common law situation to get these articles. It is important. Under the gang legislation, and I would say this to other commissioners of police who have comparative legislation, make sure that under the gang legislation you have express powers given by Parliament for entry, search and seizure.